In this episode, we are going to look at the background of supply curve with reference to series of forthcoming presentations, differently called by economists as cost of production, or cost and output, or producer choice and constraint. So what is supply curve? So far, we have assumed the supply curve are generally upward sloping. As a written rule, graphically, we represent price on the vertical axis and quantity on the horizontal axis, assuming supply curve to be upward sloping. Economists refer supply curve to have positive or direct slope, meaning the relationship between price and quantity, graphically they move in the same direction. If price increases, quantity also increases, and vice versa. Higher price encourages firms to supply more. But how much firms choose to supply at each price level? It depends largely on the amount of profit they make. Every firm's objective is to make profit or to maximize profit. Profit is made when firms earning more from sale of goods than the cost to produce it. Thus, the difference between its total sales revenue and its total cost of production. Therefore, profit is the difference between total revenue and total cost. Let's take up an example and assume the cost of production in John's ice cream parlor. To make ice cream, John requires ingredients, which economists call inputs to production, such as milk, cream, rent, etc. And they incur cost. The amount John pays for the input is called total cost. The amount John receives from the sale of output, that is ice cream, is called total revenue. Therefore, profit is total revenue minus total cost. John gets to keep any revenue that is not needed to cover the cost. This is John's ice cream parlor. John requires inputs to make ice cream, such as milk, cream, sugar. He also pays rent for the parlor, which all incurs cost. The output of John's ice cream parlor are ice cream cones, ice cream desserts, icy pops. The sale of output yields revenue. John gets to keep any revenue that is not needed to cover the cost, and that is called profit. Therefore, profit is total revenue minus total cost. See you in next episode on accounting versus economic profit.